Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you want your cats to be obsessed with you, you need to give them these Greenies treats. My cats are absolutely obsessed with them. According to them, it has an incredible flavor. As soon as I open the box, they already come running towards me and they're always begging for more. These are great for dental care. These treats help my kitties have clean teeth and a fresh breath, which if you are a pet owner, you know how important it is for your pets to have a good breath. And these treats help my kitties do so. I give them about 5 treats a couple times a day. One of my cats starts purring so loud as soon as I open the box, which it really shows how much my cats love these treats. I think these treats are incredible. It has really helped my cats to have clean teeth and fresh breath, and that is our point of view.